so freaking excited and at the same time nervous. I'm having my first driving road test today. Hopefully I pass. I've just been shaking like a fish. So first I'm just gonna go ahead because in case I pass, I want my picture to look nice. My current picture doesn't look that great. So I don't know if I should do baby hair. Yeah, baby hair is typically nice with this type of hair. Perfect. First swoop was correct. Let's do the same thing. Let's do some more. I feel like it's not going to stay. So I'm gonna do my makeup because I don't want my, if I pass, I don't want my license looking weird because it's that one you have to renew it, I think every 2 years or yearly. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. So I want to make sure that my picture is good, and I'm going to be watching a video I saw on YouTube on the cost. So at least now my face is coming out a little bit. Just need to just I'm gonna wear the slippers that I've been wearing since that's been helping me. Please, you guys should pray for me. I hope I come back smiling like this and not crying or angry or any of that sort. I'll see you guys. Peace. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Like I'm in nervous wreck. Anyways, my driving instructor was super amazing. I highly recommend him if you're in Minnesota and you have your road test. He's very personable, he's very patient, he wasn't yelling at all. If anything, like I think we became friends after the course of my training. So he did a fantastic job. So even if I don't pass, that will be solely because of my fault and not because he didn't do his job. So I highly recommend him, guys. So guys, obviously I did not pass my driving test. I feel so sad, but there'll be another time to take it, and the next available date, even though they told me I have 1 week to practice, more like 3 months to practice, because the next available date is in November, which is crazy. So I think I'm just gonna put a pause on that. I just feel like, because I already paid like the driving instructor and whatnot, so if I leave that huge gap before I go for my road test, I'm not gonna remember any of the things that I've been taught, and because we don't have a car, that makes it even harder. Anyways, my new work table came in today. It's so small, but I really like that it's sturdy, and guess what, it's foldable. I'm about to fix my chair. Hopefully you guys can get a view. If not, just let me know. I really like this table. It's like, as much as I hate doing this stuff, I kind of like enjoy it like somehow. So the instructions, because these guys typically they'll just give you half, they won't give you like all the items that you need, which is crazy. So I have 2 of that, I have that one, I have this one, I have this, and then I have, okay, the first thing they did is to grab this one. So I don't know if you guys can see me. This place is really scattered, so that's why. Okay, and then they put the, I think it's this one. I honestly don't know why they put gloves. Why am I wearing these gloves? I'm already sweating. It's really good. The next thing I need to buy for this space is a noiseless fan. I don't know if you understand, like AC or something. How do you put this one? You hold it like this and then you push it in. So like it locks in like this. So do the same thing here. guys, I basically finished this. I'm so pumped. My chair, I'm sitting on my new chair, and then this is my table. I got this package, my first package from influencer, and it's from the brand Nature's Bounty. And let me tell you, this came in at a perfect timing because I feel so stressed, and today is my last day. Well, not my last day, I only work Mondays to Thursdays. These are seriously going to help me relax. I've been feeling so stressed. I am just going to go clean up the kitchen. I think my husband helped me with the living room, so I'm gonna do the kitchen, the bedroom, make dinner for us because I haven't cooked in a while. Yeah, but this is what my setup is looking like so far. So I'm getting an iPad, and it's a birthday gift for my husband, so I'm super pumped about it because your girl, I'll be using like sheets of paper. Like, this is literally 1 week of jotting, and you can see how many pages left. I don't know if you can see, I've written so much on all these pages. It's just these pages left. Can you see? Like, it's crazy, and this is just 1 week, so I can only imagine what 1 month will look like. I write a lot. I don't know, I just really enjoy writing, so that's why I was probing him, reminding him towards my birthday, babe, if you don't have anything to give me, or you didn't, just buy me an iPad. So eventually I think I got what I wanted, and I'm really excited about it because I also got free AirPods. And since he recently switched to Apple, like iPhone, so I just gave him the AirPod because I already have AirPods, so it came in free. I'll be talking a little bit more about how I got it free when from Apple, so it's not fake, how I got it free when the product itself arrives. I'm really excited. I really like it. It's just that it's really hot here in the afternoon, so I might probably need to get like an AC fan or a fan that is like really quiet. The fan we have is super loud, like it's really loud. I can't put it out here for when I have meetings, but it's kind of like windy now because, you know, the windows, but the sound, I don't know if you can hear that sound. So we're on the 32nd floor, so perhaps that's why. I really want to take this, but I think I'm gonna wait till when I've showered, cleaned, cooked, and I'm super tired, and I'll just take this to relax. I'm gonna conclude this video here, or maybe show you guys my like just conclude when I'm done with cooking. I don't know if I told you guys, I failed my road test. I was so sad, and the next available date is in November, and my instructions permit expires a month before that, so I'm like, anyways, we'll figure it out. I really wanted to get like a license to drive, so that way I can now start disturbing hobby. Yeah, let us get a car. If you don't have license, I have license, let's buy a car. So for now, I'm sure he's probably happy at the back of his mind because he already knows that that's what I was going to start asking for. But I'm sure God has a reason for everything. I'm just going to work harder. It's just that because I paid a lot for my driving school, so I probably will just wait till we sort out all the things we need to sort out, get a car, and then I'll keep practicing, and then just retake the knowledge test and start all over again. Just I'm not really excited about that, but I guess that's what has to be done. Hey guys, so I was going to go do my hair. No, actually, I don't want to talk about the story, but someone was supposed to come help do my hair, and I was going to pay. Like, I wasn't going to do it free, but for some reason she cancelled. So, and I'm making my nails tomorrow, and once I make my nails, I won't be able to take on any hair clients or even make my own hair. So I figured I might as well just do it myself, because aside from both of them, I don't know any other person that, you know, that knows how to make hair well, aside from myself, of course, as well. So that's where we're at. It's currently 11:37, and I'm still doing this. So I'm also focusing on this because that's where
of taking blame. It's a lie. I forgot just how much I hate this game. I don't wanna talk, so I guess I'll see you later. It's a lot of thought, almost too much for this anger. You know that you made a big mess this time, and you're sorry behind all words. I don't wanna talk, so I guess I'll see you later. I see you, I see you, I see you. Hey, I see you, I see you, I see you. I need space to replace energy that's all gone. Can't say when this'll end. Baby, please, can you hang on? I don't wanna talk, so I guess I'll see you later. It's a lot of thought, almost too much for this anger. You know that you made a big mess this time, and you're sorry behind all words. I don't wanna talk, so I guess I'll see you later. I see you, I see you, I see you. Hey, I see you, I see you, I see you. Hey. I don't know why you show feeling low. Better go. I don't know why you show feeling low. Better go. I don't wanna talk, so I guess I'll see you
I just always forget to do my outros. Anyways, this is the finished hair. Today is Saturday. When I did this hair was on Thursday, so it looks good, and I just wanted to just do an intro because the way the video ended was just abruptly. So if you guys are interested in starting a lip gloss business, you already know that I'm your plug. Make sure to check MVP buses for all things wholesale lip glosses, and if you're interested in shopping with me and supporting your girl, you can definitely do so. Just go to MVP www.makebeautypro.com to shop our lashes, high quality lashes, super hydrating lip glosses, and our hair bundles and wigs. I look forward to serving you guys. Meanwhile, I had my nails done yesterday. So cute. This is the first time I'm going to do my nails this long, and so far it's so uncomfortable. I just hope I'm able to but I plan on carrying this for a long while because I paid a lot to get them done. So like, it's so cute. I wish the lady actually did more. I don't know if you guys have seen my nail vlog when I went to Senami. It's like more than a year back. She is so good, like really good. This lady too is also good, but maybe not as good as her because hers was just like really unique. Like she added like some art, but she just basically added like stones. So when she was adding it, I now asked her like, is this all? And well, it was my fault for not telling her that I wanted like something more creative. So but yeah, this is what it looks like, and this is also my first time doing this shape. I don't want to dwell so much on things that are obviously vain, so I'm just going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you want more videos and more clips like this, you know what to do already. Subscribe, join the family, and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.